Welcome to lesson 2. Things I can do. Things I can do. I can means to have the ability to do something. I can sit. I can stand. I can stand. I can walk. I can walk. I can talk. Talk. To talk means to chat. Chatter means talk. I can listen. I can listen. I can listen. I can laugh. I can laugh. I can laugh. I can laugh. I can jump. I can jump. I can jump. I can dance. I can dance. I can roll. I can roll. I can stretch. I can stretch. I can stretch. I can balance. I can balance. I can bend. I can stomp. I can clap. I can stomp. I can stomp. I can clap. I can wave. My senses. Touching. Seeing. Hearing. Tasting. Smelling. To touch. To see. To hear. To taste. To smell. I can touch. I can see. I can hear. I can smell. I can taste. I can smell. I can smell.